Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Financial Assist. Financial Assist is a channel giving you information about financial products and new knowledges in financial field. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and also click the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification. Also press the like button if you like the video. In this video, I am looking at some important points. That means 21 points you have to consider before you purchase a medical insurance policy. For example, if you are purchasing a mobile phone, how many things you will check? That means you will check about the battery charge, you will check about the memory, storage, like that way. If you are purchasing a car, you will look for the this one, that is space, engine power, etc. But whenever you are going to purchase a medical insurance, you are just looking at the premium. But it's not like that way. It's not premium is one of the component. There are 21 or more. I am just explaining 21 points in this video. So these 21 points also to be considered before you select a medical insurance plan. Please watch the video up to the last. First point, when you are going to buy a first point you have to consider in while selecting a medical insurance plan is not premium. It is claim settlement ratio of the company. That means if the claim settlement ratio, that means if 100 claim comes, how many claims are honored by the company? That is a claim settlement ratio. That is available in IRDA website. You can see the 2020 data in that. So companies which have 90% or more claim settlement ratio are considered to be good companies. So you can go with that company. That means companies have 90% claim settlement ratio and more. You can go with that company. Next point is incurred claim ratio. That is also very important. That is also available in IRDA website. This is if a company receives 100 crore premium and how much claim is settled. That means if the company receives 100 crore premium and settles 100 crore, then that company cannot be called as a good company. That means there is no profit element in that. That means they receives 100 crores and gives away 100 crore. So 100% incurred claim ratio is not good for a company, and also 50% is also not good. That means their claim process is stringent. So a company which have 70 to 80% incurred claim ratio can be called as a good company. So the data also available in IRDA website. So consider this ratio, incurred claim ratio, also before selecting a health insurance. Third point, while you select a health insurance, is that network hospital list. That means it's not 10,000 hospital all over India. You have to consider in your city how many hospitals are tied up, and if you are continuously going to 2 or 3 hospitals, is that hospitals available in their list? So that should be considered. That means network hospital list should be considered. Point number 4 is that many companies are giving now restoration benefit. That means your company is giving restoration benefit. That means if 5 lakh is a sum assured, if 5 lakh is used by the person, another 5 lakh is given with no additional premium. So you have to consider the restoration benefit is given by the company or not. So please check that benefit is available with the company. Next point is that companies are giving stay healthy benefit. That means now the health insurance is not at all giving cashless hospitalization, but also making you healthy also. Some companies are giving 100% cash back. That means if you are paying 20,000 premium, if you are keeping yourself healthy with the apps given by the company, next year You don't have to pay the premium. That means 100% premium is waived off. So such benefits are given by the companies. So if you can select those type of companies, then select companies which are giving 100% cashless facility. That means many companies are giving cashless hospitalization, but you have to pay from your pocket for the disposable syringes, then PPE kit, like that way. So some companies are giving 100% cashless. That means everything, disposables are also paid from their side. So it's better to select that companies in COVID situation, etc. So if a claim of 1 lakh or 2 lakh comes, some 20,000, 30,000 are taken for this disposable. That means PPE kit, like that way. So 100% hospitalization which covers disposables also are available in the market. So please select that type of companies which are covering disposables also. Another important point while you are selecting an insurance policy is that co-pay. That's a very important point. If you look in the online sites like that, so the premiums you see are very less. There, what happens there is a co-pay element that will be shown in it cannot be shown like that way. So if you compare in the online sites, there will be 20%, 30% co-pay products are available, and the premiums will be less. So you have to just cross check whether co-pay is there. So better to choose products without co-pay. That means 100% hospitalization giving products are the best ones. Next thing you have to consider before selecting a health insurance is sublimits. That means many health insurance companies have sublimits. That means if 2 lakh sum assured policy is there, room can be 1% of the sum assured, like that way. That means 2,000 rupees room can be taken. So if you are going a hospital and they are saying that the room is only 5,000 rupees room is available, you cannot get the room like that way. So select the policies without sublimits. Then another important point is that pre-existing waiting period. That means if you have some diseases, or in medical test it's shown that some diseases are there is waiting period for the pre-existing diseases. So some companies are 4 years, 3 years and 2 years also available. So select the companies which have less pre-existing waiting period. Then companies are giving no claim bonus. That means if you are selecting a policy of 5 lakh and if there is no claim, some companies are giving 7.5 lakhs sum assured. That means the sum assured will go to 7.5 lakhs next year, and 10 lakhs the other year. 2 years without claim means 10 lakh. And there are some products, if you have claim or no claim, the bonus will be added to the sum assured. So select such products. Other benefit is that pre and post hospitalization. This some companies are giving before hospitalization 60 days and after hospitalization 180 days bills are settled in some policies. So select the companies which have maximum number of days pre and post hospitalization. The next benefit you have to consider is that Ayush benefit is available or not. That means Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, Homeo. So 100% are given by many companies. So please check whether Ayurveda treatments are completely covered up to the sum insured. Please note that NABH certificated hospitals only gets this Ayush benefit. So please note that. Another important point while selecting a health insurance policy is TPA, third party administrators. That means if you are taking policy from some X company, and there is some other person is the TPA, that means Medi Assist or like that way. So you are purchasing from one person, and whenever claim comes you are talking with another person. That is very difficult. Every customer faces the difficulty. So kindly select policies from the companies which have in-house TPA. That means the company has the in-house TPA. That's very important point. Some companies are giving outpatient benefits. That means outpatient benefits are given. So if the company offers OP benefits, that's very good. Other benefit you have to consider before selecting a health insurance is that whether air ambulance is covered, then whether global healthcare is there, what is the limit for road ambulance, like that way, that conditions also should be checked. Many companies are giving free health checkups every year. So select a company which gives free health checkup, so that you can know your health condition very well. So select those type of companies. There are many policies like individual, multi-individual, family floater, like that way. It's better to choose family floater policies from every companies. That means there is a discount for family floater. That type of policy is the best suited one. Some companies premiums are like that way, zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, like that means Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Madras are zone 1, then Ahmedabad, Baroda, or next level cities, Vishag, like Bangalore, like that way, next level cities are zone 2, and rest of India is zone 3, and premium is different. Premium is high for the zone 1 cities, and if you are taking from zone 3, premium is less, and when you are seeking the medical attention in zone 1, there is extra amount you have to pay. So don't take such policies. Policies which have a common premium all over India, you should buy. Then you should this is the some exclusions you should keep in mind while before taking a health insurance. That means first 30 days you will not get the any only accidents can be covered, no hospitalization covered. 2-year waiting period are there. You should note that. That means sinusitis, kidney stone, like that way. 14 diseases are there. That is not covered in any of the policies for 2 years. Then permanent exclusions are there. Please note that point also. That means opticals, dental treatments, AIDS, like that way, are not permanent exclusions. That also you should study well. That means that is available in brochures. That also you have to study well before taking a health insurance policy. Now coming to last 2 points, these are my personal opinion, and I consider these are very important things. First is that in my personal opinion, standalone health insurance companies, that means only they are in the health insurance field. That means that companies is best to choose, because their attention is up to health insurance, and so concentration of that companies in this field will be more. So it's better to choose such companies. And this is the last point, 21st point, last but not the least, very important point. In my personal opinion, I am into this field for last 15 years, and in my opinion, agency channel, that means through an agent or advisor, it is best to purchase the health insurance, because you will get help all through the policy. Because if the advisor helps you, you will give him references, and you will get the help also. That's a win-win situation. If you are taking from a bank, some bank manager will sell the policy, bank manager will get transferred. There is no personal connection from you are taking from a bank. And also group insurance also, in broker also, they don't have a personal touch or like that way. So better to go with agency channel. So this is I think this is a detailed description on how to select a medical insurance, mediclaim policy. So if you like this video, please like this video, because that is that will be a confidence for me to make new videos. So kindly share to other people. Also comment on this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, and also click the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification. So till I upload new video, it's bye from Financial Assist.